Loving someone, regardless of their gender, involves building a deep emotional connection, understanding, and respect. Here are some general tips on how to love a girl. 1. Communication. Open and honest communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Take the time to talk and actively listen to her. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, and encourage her to do the same. 2. Respect and support. Treat her with respect, kindness, and empathy. Support her dreams, goals, and aspirations, and be there for her during both joyful and challenging times. Show interest in her life and actively participate in her happiness and well-being. 3. Spend quality time together. Quality time is essential for building a strong bond. Engage in activities that you both enjoy and create opportunities to connect on a deeper level. Whether it's going on dates, having meaningful conversations, or pursuing shared hobbies, spending time together strengthens your connection. 4. Show affection. Express your love and affection through both words and actions. Small gestures like holding hands, hugging, kissing, or giving compliments can go a long way in making her feel valued and loved. 5. Understand her needs. Everyone has different needs and ways of feeling loved. Take the time to understand her love language, which refers to the specific ways she prefers to receive love and affection. It could be through physical touch, quality time, acts of service, words of affirmation, or receiving gifts. Tailor your expressions of love accordingly. 6. Be supportive and understanding. Relationships are not always smooth sailing. Show empathy and understanding when she faces challenges or goes through difficult times. Be her pillar of support, offer a listening ear, and provide encouragement. 7. Trust and honesty. Trust is crucial in any relationship. Be honest, reliable, and trustworthy. Avoid betraying her trust and establish a foundation of mutual respect. Remember, every person is unique, so it's important to get to know her as an individual and understand her specific preferences and needs. Building a loving relationship takes time, effort, and a willingness to grow together.